Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be building a C Sharp Windows uh, camera capture kind of application where you can take pictures from the web camera of the laptop. So let me just show you a short little demo of what we will be building here. So this is a camera capture kind of application using AForge library here. So you have seen this library. So if you just search on Google AForge, so if you just type AForge video, so this is the official website of this library. So you can download this library from here, but the second I will be showing you the second way by which you can do it from the project itself. So we are using this library which is aforge.net in order to capture the picture from the web camera. So let me show you a demo. If I click the run button, so you will see there is this interface out there. If I click the start button, it will capture my camera here. You will see my face here. You can see that. So now if I click the capture button, it will take the photo. You can see that. If you can also give a file name to it. If I click it like this, you can see that. So two people are watching the stream. So first of all, like the stream, and now you can see that it is taking pictures here. And also we are storing these pictures inside a folder inside our C drive. If I show you this folder, this is present inside C image, and you can see all these photos are stored here. You can see that this is a JPG image. If you see the extension of this image, JPG, you can also choose PNG as well. So this will be the fun little project we will make using C Sharp Windows Forms. So in the last tutorial, I have shown you how to make a basic login form. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to take pictures from your web camera like this inside C Sharp. So we will build it from scratch. And if you want full source code regarding this application, I have written a complete blog post in my website. I have given the link in the video description of this live stream. So you can go to the video description and download all the source code. So this is a blog post. All the step-by-step instruction is given in this blog post. So let's get started by building this application. Let me close this instance and create a new project. So first of all, we need to stop this application. New project. So we will create a Windows form project, and I will call this project as camera project. So after this, we will simply click on next. So two people are watching the stream. So first of all, like the stream and also comment. Your comment will be highlighted here. Let me just go to the directory here. So bro, welcome. So just wait. Let me copy this stream URL so that your comment will also be highlighted. So now your comment will be highlighted. So just comment here. Four people are watching the stream. So four likes are there. So hello, bro, welcome. So all the guys welcome in the stream. So we will first of all create this project. You will see this is the interface here. So right here we need to, inside our toolbox, we need to select picture box. So picture box is kind of a widget by which you can display images here. So we will just have this like this, and we will right click copy this one more time for our like this. Just have some space here. So here the camera will be there, and this will be the picture where the picture will be taken. And now we will have a simple button here. So search for button, and we will place the button here like this. Place it, and we will copy this one more time for our capture button. So we will just change this label to, so you can see the right hand side. We have this, we will change this to capture. So 4 people are watching the stream. So you will see, let me change this to start camera, like the start camera button. And also, sir, what is out keyword in C hash? Out keyword, I don't know much about it. C hash, I am just starting out to build applications. So definitely in the next video, I will tell you how what is out keyword. So right here, we will make a input box, sorry, text box inside this widget. We will place it like this. So this here we can provide the file name. So whatever file name that you want to provide. So we will also give it a label for the user. So this will be label. So we will drag this label. So this will simply say file name. You can see. So now the interface is almost complete. You can just style the interface accordingly. So now we will just focus on the logic. So first of all, guys, as I already told you, we are using this library which is AForge. If you type this is the library we are using to capture images. So you can go to its official website and download the DLL. This is a very complex process, or you can download it in the editor itself by going to tools, and then you need to go to, let me just create space. So you need to go to Nugget package manager and then select the second option, manager NuGet package. Select this. So here you will select for the package which is AForge video. Just select this and you need to select this AForge video here. Simply select this, and now you will see you need to add this to here. What is saying, please, your Ezoic dashboard. So I will show you Ezoic later on. So you can see you need to click install here. So this will install this library inside C# project here. You can see green sign is there. So it is successfully installed. We also need this second AForce video direct show. So simply click this, click on install. So it will install this library, click on OK. So these two libraries we need in this project. So after this, simply click save all and close this window. So now we can write our C# code here. So we can simply just click this button. So what will happen when we click this button? So we need to create a function here which will start the camera. So this function will be simply start the camera for us. So start camera. So this is a custom function that we will create. So right here it is saying the function is not created. So we can say generate method. So you can see private void start camera. So write this. Here we will show the camera to the user inside this method. So what we need to do is that inside this, we need a try catch block. So try catch, try catch. So inside this, we will have our exception E. That's it. So 4 people are watching the stream. So first of all, is C hash is better than Electron.js for creating desktop application? I have worked with Electron, and I can tell you that yeah, C hash is better because in terms of speed as well, because Electron uses a Chromium browser which is very much slow as compared to C hash, because C hash is native. All the widgets present inside C hash are native, so the speed of C hash code execution is better than Electron.js. So definitely Electron lacking in the speed department. So now here we need to first of all declare some variables right here at the top. So right here outside we need to declare some private variables. So which is private video capture device. So we need to include this library at the very top, namespace. So we need to write these using three lines, which is AForge dot, just put a semicolon, AForge dot video, and using the second library which we installed, which is AForge dot video dot direct show, and the third line, that's it. So these are the two libraries we are using here. Now you will see in the drop down we will get the, if I say private video capture device, this is a drop down we are getting. So this is video capture. The second variable we need to declare is filter info connection. So this is all of the library that we have installed here. So this is not inbuilt in C hash. So filter info, we will declare the variable filter info. So these are the two variables which we had declared. So now inside the start camera function, we need to instantiate the filter info variable, filter info. So this will be equal to new filter info collection, and inside this we will pass filter category dot video devices. So if you see here, we need to pass here video input device. In the drop down you can see the suggestions are coming, and in the second line what you need to do is that, let me delete this. So three people are watching the stream, so first of all, like the stream. So here now we will instantiate video capture. So this will be equal to new video capture device. So you can see in the suggestion already this code is coming. So this is a power of Visual Studio 2022 edition, and inside this we need to pass our variable filter info, and here we need to select our camera. So depending upon your computer, your USB camera will be, my position is 6 here, so I will provide 6 here, and then dot moniker string semicolon, and after that we need to video capture, we will say video capture dot new frame, and we need to say plus is equal to new frame event handler, and here we will pass a function which we will create, which is camera underscore on, which will just switch on the camera. So O will be capital. So this function we will create because this red signal will there. After that we will say video capture dot start. So now we need to create this function, so we will simply say generate method. So right here at the bottom side you will see it has created this method. So right here we need to, inside this method, we simply need to target our picture box 1, and picture box 1 is this one here. We will display our camera. So here we will manipulate the image attribute of it, and we will is equal to, and we will use the bitmap, and we will use the event arguments dot frame dot clone. That's it. And now if I just start the application here, let's suppose if I click this button, you will see my web camera will be on here. If I click the start camera button, you will see, now you can see my camera is on here. You can see this photo here of my web camera. This is my face. So now we are successfully getting our web camera inside this C# application, Now we simply need to click the capture button to take the photograph here and display in the next picture box here. So we will do this in the next step. So right here, what we need to do is that we need to target the the capture button. So we will go to this and we will say capture. So this button here, what we need to do is that we need to manipulate picture box 2 dot image. So 4 people are watching it. So first of all, like the stream. So here we will say picture box 1 dot image. So that's a very basic step. So we will be equaling it the two, and then we will provide our file name location. So wherever you need to store your file, so this will be string file name. So you can store it at any location of your computer. So in order to put the location, this is the syntax. I will store it inside my C drive, and this is a path here. So followed by a folder name. Let's suppose test folder. I need to make this folder inside C drive before executing the application. And then we will say text box 1 dot text. This is the text box 1 which we are talking about. 5, you can see this is the one. We will get the value which the user has written inside file name, and after that we will concatenate with the extension. In this case, this can be jpg, png, anything, but I will take jpg. That's it. After constructing the file location, we will say var bitmap is equal to new bitmap, and here we will say picture box 2 dot width. So whatever is the width of the picture box and the height, that's it. This will be covering the space, the full space available. And now we will actually draw the actual image. So picture box dot 2 dot, in order to draw an image, we have this method draw to bitmap, and here we will pass our bitmap and put a comma, and picture box 2 dot client rectangle. So this is a method, and after this we need to call this system dot drawing dot imaging. This is a method imaging dot image format, and this we need to declare this variable here. This needs to be null at the starting, and then we will manipulate this variable here, which will be image format is equal to, and image format will be equal to system dot drawing dot imaging dot image format dot jpg. So you can see all the file extensions are available: image extensions, bpp, gif, jpg, tif, png also. So if I say png, but I will take jpg, so put a semicolon. So this will be the extension of the image. And lastly, if you want to save the image, so simply, in order to save the image, we have this method bitmap.save, and here we will pass the file name which we have constructed. That's it. You can see file name, sorry, n should be capital. So I think this application is completed right now. If I launch this application, if I launch this, so you will see, if I click start camera, if I click capture, so you will see instantly it will say that the directory test folder of the file name doesn't exist. So this is a nice thing about Visual Studio. It exactly pinpoints the error wherever the application is facing the problem. So it typically just pinpoints the line here. So in this line, this is 60 line. So this is very much useful in error finding. So I can now go to my C directory. So I can create a folder here, which is new folder. So where all the images will go place, test folder. So this needs to match the value that you have provided here. You can see test folder. So once again, rerun the application. And now if I click start camera, so you will see my face will be there here. And if I now click the capture button, so now you can see the picture will be taken. And here also, I can also provide the file name like this. Click again capture, change the file name again, change it. So it has taken 4 pictures here. If I just go to my folder in the C drive, just to cross check. So you will see all these pictures are being successfully stored here. You can open it inside your editor. So image editor, you can see that. Obviously the quality is not up to the mark because we haven't, my web camera is also not of the quality of, if you have a higher quality camera, then your images will be good. And also the size that I have taken inside this is also very small. So the whole web camera is not visible if I click start camera. So that is why you are seeing this. So this was the application, guys. Very simple application in Visual C Sharp Windows Form kind of application. If you want to get all the source code, you can go to the video description link to go to my website to download all the source code. So that was a very beautiful application in Windows Forms. So if you want these kind of applications, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and also hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I come live, you get a notification and you should watch these videos. And if you have any sort of doubt, you can ask in the comment section. So if I want to, I can also show you the ezoic revenue or analytics of website. Today, AdSense, also AdSense website, and Search Console data as well. So somebody was asking about ezoic, so I just wanted to show that ezoic dashboard as well. So that person has asking, please show your ezoic dashboard. So you can see this is the dashboard here in the last 30 days. You can see the traffic, and this is the day by day. Traffic is constant here, but the EPM is low in January, good in February, and in the starting of March it is also good here. You can see day by day. And if I show you the earnings report here, the EPM is good here. You will see that. You can see how much is the EPM. You can see. So it is around 4 here in the upcoming months here. So in November month it was very high as it expected Black Friday sale, so it was around 12. Now it has just down up to 4. So obviously it will rise up in the upcoming months. So you can just see the day-to-day EPM. You can see 445. And if I show you the analytics here, live analytics, this is the Coding Shiksha website here, and this is the live analytics here. You can see 20 users are there, and all majority of the traffic is from organic. You can see 14 users, only one from YouTube. So majority of the one I get from the organic search, and you can just see here it is constantly increasing, and you can see that I think today is over, so you can see now it has increased up to 4,000 sessions. So you can see constantly it is increasing. And the social traffic, especially the social traffic, you can see over 500 visitors have come to the website through YouTube channel. So this is definitely increased due to the live stream that I'm doing daily. So this has a very positive impact on the website also. So if the YouTube video views increases, then also the website views increases. So this you can see in the social traffic. So if I click the acquisition report, so the second major factor is social traffic. So majority of the one is coming through YouTube. So obviously it will have an impact on the analytics. So if I show you daily here, if I take it from June 2021, and if I click apply, so this will give me this graph here. So you can see constantly it was very same here, but now it is increasing due to, for the very first time, it has reached 500 visitors from actual YouTube. So this is good. So for the first time, it has reached above 500 visitors. So you can see that this is the last 30 days, which is over 90,000 sessions are there. In 7 days, it is 22,000 sessions. In one day, it is about 4,200 sessions. If I talk about the location, you will see the location is totally dominated by India. Then comes USA, then Pakistan, Germany, France. So all over the world, I get traffic from the website here. So you need to be writing the content which resonates with the audience, and also which are informational content which is consumed by all the public. So, and also you need to write evergreen topics. So wherever you get your opportunity, you need to write informational content. So if I show my website here, you will see a lot of content is there. If I show you the dashboard here of the website, how many posts I have written here. So almost 6,047 posts I have written, which is currently published on Google. So each and every post is getting some kind of traffic. So if I show you the Google search console for my website coding Shiksha, you will see. If I select here, so this is reached up to, you can see that CTR is also good, 5%. Average position is 27.2. This is kind of good. And these are the keywords here, you will see that, which is ranking on Google and getting traffic daily. And these are the pages, you can see countries. So India, United States, Pakistan. So, and the AdSense is only monetized through two websites that I have apart from Coding Shiksha. So this is a tool-based website which is freemediatools.com. So it has a very variety of tools out there. So if you want to use my tool-based website, go to freemediatools.com. So this website was rejected by Zoix, so I place AdSense ads on this website. So from this, I'm getting half a dollar per day. So in quite 7 days here. So the traffic is also good. So if I get this EPM CPC here for each country here, you will see USA is dominating here. From one click from Canada, you can see 20 cents. Iraq, you can see 10 cents. Paraguay, 7 cents. If I show you for this month for AdSense, only from 3 clicks, 46 cents. 5 clicks from India, which is 22 cents. Canada, you can see that. And for this whole month, this is only for March here. So majority of the revenue comes from this website, freemediatools.com. And some coding Shiksha because mediation is allowed here in Zoic. If I show you the home section, mediation is something that whenever some other ad network just gives you higher than Zoic, so mediation gives me some not very minimal revenue here. You can see I have linked it AdSense here. So that revenue here comes here inside the AdSense dashboard. And then there is a third website which is lyrics channel. So this is a lyrics kind of a website. You have seen these websites on internet which provides lyrics of each and every song here. So these are the website. This is the third website that I have. So it is very new website, only 149 days old, but still it is getting a quite a good traffic. Let me show you lyric channel website traffic. If I select this, this is the traffic. You can see 392,000 impressions, 363 3,600 clicks. So CTR is low, but average position is quite good. So in the long run, it will get some more traffic. So this is the situation. So if I show you the last month, also you will see majority of the revenue comes from free media tools, about $7, then from coding section and lyrics channel. And you can see the clicks, 14 clicks for 39 cents, because in the lyrics based niche, the CPC will be low. No one will be paying for advertising in these websites, so that is why you are seeing 14 clicks and only 39 cents is made. And you can see 83 clicks and $7. This is quite normal. And majority desktop traffic comes on my website. So you can see that if I also show you Alexa rank of the website, so this is Alexa rank. So click on, put your website. So this is my main website. If I, it has having a rank of 64,000 all over the globe globally. So majority it is saying India, Nigeria, it is wrong. Then comes United States. So now it is rising here. You can see it is decreasing it day by day. So Alexa is going here. You can see it is retiring on May 1, 2022. So also if you check the speed, you can use the tool called as Page Insights of Google. So this is a tool which lets you test the speed of your website. So simply put the URL and click analyze. So it will analyze on both mobile and desktop, and then it will give you the score. So if you are watching it for the very first time, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So you can see majority of the traffic comes from desktop here. So I can also prove this. You can see almost 75% traffic. If I last 90 days, you will see 76%. So I need to optimize my website for the desktop. In the desktop, you will see I'm getting a score of 96 and Core Web Vitals is passed. This is very much affecting your ranking as well. If you don't have a Core Web Vital good score on desktop, your website will lose traffic. And I need to work on mobile, but majority of the time I don't get mobile traffic. And one other tool you can use is GTmetrix, which is again a good tool to analyze the website performance. So put your URL and click test your website. So this will test your website here from a different location in the world, from a Chrome desktop, and it will try to analyze the performance how much is the speed, how the users are engaging. So this is a very old website. If you check the domain age, you will see it is almost 12 years old website. So it's very popular also. So many people use it. So it gives you the score inside a grade wise. So I have the score as B. So if you have a green score, then it is good. So 76% performance, 90% structure, and it also gives you the total loading time, which is around 11 seconds, which is good. And it also gives you some suggestions that you can use. It is saying me use a content delivery network. So this is all the stuff that you will need here. You can see that. 52 cents, I can see. So this was the thing, guys. So thanks very much for watching this stream. So please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next stream.